Hi you guys, so today I'm going in with the Kat Von D brow pomade in the color Walnut. I'm actually going to be using their angle brush. I'm about to show you there are 3 parts to your eyebrow, so you want to make sure you follow that to get the perfect brow. Another key point when doing your eyebrows is to make sure you start an inch behind your brow. Instead of having a box eyebrow, it'll give you more of an ombre effect if you start that inch behind. So right now I'm about to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the color 230 to conceal her eyebrows. Basically, this just cleans up her eyebrows to make it look sharp and neat. Now I'm about to go in with a beauty blender to blend out the foundation around her eyebrows. Make sure that your beauty blender is always damp and make sure that it is always clean. So now I'm about to go in with some Airspun translucent powder, and I'm going to use a big fluffy brush from Eco Styles, and I'm going to set her eyebrows and her eyelids. So now I'm about to go in with an eyeshadow palette that I received from the dollar store called Possession, and I'm going to take that brown color with my fluffy blending brush and put that in her crease and also her outer V. Right here you can see that I'm just going to build it up until I get the color that I want. You guys can build it up until you get the color that you desire to as well. So this look is basically a simple look. So I'm not going to do something too dramatic in her crease, but it's going to be a soft look basically. So now I'm going to go in with this pink color, and I'm going to take a flat brush and put that on her eyelid. So right now I'm about to go in with this brown, and I'm going to deepen her crease and her outer V. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Mascara, and it is waterproof. So this is one of my favorite mascaras. I usually buy Better Than Sex, but if I don't buy that one, then this is my second go-to. Now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild eyeliner, and it's the mega one, and it has more of a Sharpie point to it, which I love because I hate the eyeliners that are more like brushes. And right here I'm going back in with that Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the color 230, and I'm just going to put that all over her face. It may look ghostly on her forehead, but your foundation is meant to match your neck and not anything else, so that's why it looks exactly like that on her face. So now I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. contouring palette in the lightest color, and I'm just going to contour under her eyes, on the bridge of her nose, on her cupid's bow, and her forehead. And I'm just going to blend that out. Now that I'm finished with that, I'll go in with the Wet n Wild contouring powder, and I'll use the lightest one to set underneath her eye, and I'll use the darkest one to contour her face. So right here, I'm just about to contour her nose. I'm going to just make it look a little sharper, and I'll be using that same brown that I used in the Wet n Wild contouring palette. Right here, I'll be using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. I'll be swiping those reds, and I'll use that as blush. Then I'll use the e.l.f. highlighting powder, and it's in the color Apricot Glow, and I'll just put that right on top of that blush. For her lips, I'll be going in with the Loreal exclusive collection from J.Lo, and the color is in Nude. Now I'll be using the Gorilla Snot in the yellow bottle to lay her edges. Every time I do my edges, I always put a swoop right in the middle of my head, and then I do 3 swoops around that middle part. But it's up to you guys the way you like to do your swoops to frame your face. And this is basically your finished look. It's something simple and easy for you guys to go out whenever you need to. I want to say thank you guys for watching, and tune in for more videos.